Hello children, today I will tell you about HTML tags. So HTML tags are mainly two types. They are contentful tags and contentless tags. Contentful tags contains all the text. And the contentless tags are HR, BR and IMG tag. So HR is a horizontal line tag and BR is a break tag and IMG is a image tag where you can insert your image in a web page. So this is the tag I have given. First I have given HTML the starting tag, then I have given h1 is a header tag. I have given contentful tags and I have closed the h1 tags, heading tags. Then I have given h2 tag and I have given contentless tags. I have closed the h2 tags and I have given one paragraph. That is contentless tags are BR, HR and IMG, and BR is a break tag, HR is a horizontal tag and I have closed the paragraph tags. And IMG, image, for image it starts with IMG, and then source is what I have given images is a folder where I have all the folders. I have all the image I have stored in the images folder, and I have given this is the I have saved the image with the name krishna.jpg. I have given width, I have given height and border. You can give horizontal space and also vertical space. Then then close the HTML tags. Now I will show you. So this is the img.html. So this is the image I have inserted in the web page. Now I will show you about marquee tag. So what is a marquee tag? Marquee tag is nothing but it is a tag which is used to scroll the image. So you can scroll your image from top, bottom, left and right. So you can see the tags for HTML. For marquee, marquee tag starts with MARQUEE marquee. I have given direction, that is direction I have given down. Then left, then top I have given. Then color green I have given. Then on mouse over is a JavaScript code. JavaScript it was this one, and I have given a scroll amount, that is 10. And on mouse out is when the cursor moves out from the image, so that is a scroll amount is 10. And this one is the JavaScript is a case sensitive language, so scroll amount should be written as the same way how I have written. Then I have given a div is nothing but a it is a block tag. Then I have given image, it starts with img, and then I have given one more image. So and then you have to close the marquee tag, marquee tag, then close the HTML tags. Now I will show you how it will execute. So you can see this is the marquee tag is used for scrolling the image. So now you can change the direction. You can give down, you can give left, you can give, and you have to save the file and then you execute the code. So see, now it will start scrolling from left to right to left. So this is the marquee tag, and so you can give direction left, you can give right, you can give top, you can give bottom, you can give. Then I will you can also scroll a text. So how to scroll a text? So for scrolling a text you have to write the tag. For same tag we will use, same marquee tag is used, but instead of image we will use the text. So here I have given the same marquee I have given, and then direction is left. I have given a style. In this you have to give a style, that is text align, that is center, and position is absolute. I have given again left, then top, then color I have given, and on mouse over is scroll amount, that is 2. You can change the scroll amount, you can give 5, you can give. Then on mouse out you can give, you can change this also. And then I have given the text HTML language. So now save the file, and then you can execute it. So you can see the text scroll. So thank you.